You can perform quota planning to set and analyze data-driven, intelligent sales quotas using best practice methodologies such as top-down and bottom-up. Bottom-up quota planning complements your top-down planning strategy. After the top-down targets are set, you can have the lowest level in the hierarchy review their target quota, make any required adjustments, and then submit their expected account plans and quota commitments to the next higher level in the hierarchy for approval. Let's perform bottom-up quota and account planning from two hierarchy levels. As a sales rep in charge of central products in Division 1, I can plan for each of my accounts and allocate quota based on market knowledge and can factor in future sales opportunities. I'll review the top-down quota allocated by my manager along with the overall growth percentage. I can compare the top-down quota with the bottom-up quota as well as the percent of the target. I can adjust the quotas for accounts, and since my manager moved one of my existing accounts to a new territory, I'll add a new account to help me reach my quota. I can allocate quota even if there is no historical data. Notice that with the added account quota, I am closer to achieving my overall target quota. Managers can also assign accounts to sales reps. I can review my quota per product and if necessary, make adjustments. After reviewing my account plans and quota commitments, I'll submit it for approval. I'll review the promotional path for my quota plan. When I submit my plan for approval, it will be assigned to my regional manager. The regional manager can review all bottom-up quota and account plans for all sales reps in their team and compare them with the top-down plan. They can collaborate with their team members to discuss and arrive at a plan that meets the overall quota target. They can also set bottom-up quotas for each sales rep. They can make final adjustments to hit the top-down quota at the sales rep level and run the aggregation process to update totals with the adjustments. After adjusting, the quota is now 90% of the target. The regional manager can review several attributes of sales reps' profiles. The FTE capacity and threshold are calculated based on these attributes. A high positive threshold indicates that a sales rep has not been given a challenging quota based on their capacity, whereas a negative threshold indicates that the sales rep has been assigned a very high quota. After making adjustments and reviewing the data, they can submit the plan for approval. The review process continues until the last person in the planning unit hierarchy approves the quota plan. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.